If Google Chrome is not working on your Windows PC or it won't open at all, this video will walk you through the fastest way to get it running again. We're going to cover the system requirements, how to download and install Chrome properly, and what to do if Chrome is already installed but refuses to launch or keeps crashing. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows fixes and software guides. First, let's verify the basic requirement. Google Chrome officially supports Windows 10 and Windows 11 with modern security updates. If you're using Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 8.1, Chrome support was dropped in early 2023. That means older versions may still open on those systems, but they will not get the latest features or important security patches, so the best fix is to use a supported version of Windows. If you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11 and Chrome is not installed yet, you can download it safely using your built-in browser, such as Microsoft Edge. Open the Start menu, launch Microsoft Edge, and go to the official Google Chrome download page. Make sure you are on the real Google site, then click the blue Download Chrome button. Windows will begin downloading the installer file, usually called ChromeSetup.exe. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the ChromeSetup.exe file. If Windows asks for permission through the User Account Control prompt, click Yes to continue. Chrome will then install automatically, and in most cases, it should open right after installation. If Chrome is already installed but won't open, don't worry, because this is usually caused by a background process, a permissions issue, or security software blocking it. Start with the quickest fix. Force close any stuck Chrome processes. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Look through the list for anything labeled Google Chrome, right-click each Chrome process, and choose End Task. Sometimes Chrome is still running in the background even when no window appears, and ending those tasks can fix the problem instantly. After that, try opening Chrome again. If it still won't launch, right-click the Chrome desktop shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This can help if Windows is blocking Chrome from accessing the files or settings it needs. If Chrome still refuses to open, your antivirus or firewall may be interfering. Some third-party security tools can mistakenly block the Chrome installer or the Chrome application itself. Try temporarily disabling the third-party antivirus just long enough to test whether Chrome opens properly. If it does, you'll know the security software is the cause, and you can adjust its settings or add Chrome as an exception. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the issue right away. If Chrome begins working again, go ahead and test a few websites to make sure it loads pages normally and responds without crashing. That confirms the browser is installed correctly and running the way it should. So to recap, first, make sure your version of Windows is supported, then download Chrome from the official site, install it from ChromeSetup.exe. And if it still won't open, clear stuck background processes, run it as administrator, and check your antivirus settings. If this video helped you get Google Chrome working on Windows, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more quick fixes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.